Well, this next story just might shock you. The state government has ordered an immediate audit of some gun owners because some Sydney-siders are stockpiling weapons in the suburbs. The government has been forced into action only after our senior investigator John Hill started asking some difficult questions.
This arsenal of weapons was seized last week in Sydney's south. 750 firearms found in the home of a 70-year-old dealer. They should have been kept in gun safes. The owner is expected to face numerous charges, but the question remains, why does anyone need hundreds of guns?
There's absolutely no reason why someone in suburban Sydney needs so many firearms.
Gun Control Australia has revealed an alarming number of guns held by licensed shooters. These are the numbers of homes in various parts of Sydney with 6 or more licensed firearms. Police are supposed to check each additional gun purchase.
Clearly something's going wrong. How is it that the police are allowing people to accumulate literally hundreds of weapons in their home? Police
have now been ordered to crack down.
They're going to start targeting individuals with higher numbers of firearms in their possession.
There'll be a limit of 50 guns per owner. And following the Colorado Cinema massacre, there's concern about increasing numbers of licensed pistols in the community.
A licensed gun owner can get an unlimited amount of semi-automatic handguns along with an unlimited amount of ammunition.
There is no limit to the number of rounds that you can buy.
But it can only be for guns for which a licence is held. Gun Control Australia says state-based laws aren't working. It wants the federal government to take over and pass tough national legislation. The government says any changes need to take account of the rights of shooters. John Hill, 10 News.